To connect your other Quicken accounts into Quicken LifeHub, begin by navigating to the Bills and Income category in the left-hand navigation bar. Click Connect Quicken to open the Connections page in Settings. From here, select Get Started and choose the financial space you want to connect. Next, pick the accounts you'd like to import, along with any home and property items and recurring bills and income items. Once the data has successfully imported, return to the Accounts or Bills and Income category to see your newly added financial data. If you'd like to add a bill manually, navigate to the appropriate section and click New Item. Give your bill a name and select Create and View. From there, link a bank account, enter amounts, set the frequency, and fill in any other applicable details. Finally, you can organize your bill by adding it to a folder in the right-hand Add to Folder section.